Good, how are you? That's outside.
Is it any?
I feel like every single morning is muggy like this. Is that just normal?
Every single one is what?
Like muggy like this, just like...
End of May, all the way into like July. They kind of get that inversion here. So it tends to be,
There's literally clouds on the ground.
Don't worry, I'll be like manhandling you the whole time, so you're good.
fine.
Yeah. Because he could be like flying around behind you.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so don't shoot unless I tell you to shoot.
Okay.
Cool? Sweet.
Oh gosh.
In the middle.
What is this?
That's your seatbelt.
Is this mine? Okay. Oh yeah, right.
So you happy with that?
I don't even drink.
Well, no, it's for him, not you.
did they go?
Well, there's one around the corner for you.
Wait, I thought she already. Oh, no. She shot a tar. Never mind.
Trip, you better not miss.
Oh, I
The
might.
chamois, compared to the bodies I've seen, like that was a big one.
Did you just throw up once?
Yeah.
Look at that
Yeah,
bird.
he's like, he said, and then he goes, oh, she's to the right. And he's like, I was soaking wet. He's all skinny looking.
Going way down there. I don't see him anymore.
You see him or not?
Oh, there he is. I see him.
Just like don't shoot.
Okay. Yeah.
Don't shoot till I tell you.
I'm just trying to find him in the scope. Is that one?
Gonna come out on that scrub. See him coming out on the scrub on the other
Yeah,
side?
I see him.
He's coming out in that scrub.
Can I shoot?
Yep.
Wait.
Yep.
Still walking.
That's right. Just shoot him there. Yep.
You know where he went? Did I hit him?
On the ridge line, see him on the ridge line.
Where?
Real fucking quick. Hey! Shoot him. Shoot him. Yep. Come here. Hey! Hey! Too slow, bro. Sorry. Here. Just take, when you see him, take your time, put the crosshairs on him and shoot him.
So. Oh, there it is.
Yeah, don't shoot.
Okay.
Is it in the creek now?
Is it in the creek? Yeah, Roger.
Go up.
Is he down? Oh yeah.
Do you want that one and these two facing uphill?
Hello. tallowy, waxy. Fellow's not too bad. I still.
Thanks, mate.
Oh, stopped.
John, that one to go forward more.
This one. Okay. One. Okay.
Clicky.
Kristen, we're just going to do a couple chamois, you right?
Real funny.